How much did your first job pay you?
I think it's around 15,500. Pero may budget na 2K per month. So mga nasa 17K.
Would you say it was enough to cover your expenses then?
I think nung time na yun okay naman kasi pandemic siya. So lockdown. So wala akong masyadong labas. And then at the same time, nakatira ako sa parents ko. And hindi pa ako masyado nagbabayad ng bills noon since first work ko pa lang. Kaya yun, enough naman.
Do you think that amount of money is sufficient for fresh grads right now?
I think right now hindi. Kasi nagka-inflation na eh. Tapos ang mahal ng mga gastusin. Pati mga bills nagtaas na. So mahirap siya especially if magiging breadwinner ka. And if plan mong maging independent, medyo kulang. So yeah.
So based on your answer, what do you think is the right salary or enough salary for fresh grads right now?
Mga at least 22 to 25 sa panahon na.